if you are an embedded engineer and working on USB, or if you are a user of USB, where you are connecting various devices, you need to know what are the various speeds, and various versions of USB, and what are their modes called. So, if we see this table here, versions and corresponding mode and its speed. So USB 1.0, which actually is the first generation of USB, has two modes. One is low speed and full speed. So the low speed has maximum signaling rate or speed up to 1.5 Mbps, whereas full speed has a speed of up to 12 Mbps. Now the next generation of USB, where most of the devices, especially the MCUs and other devices, are available, are USB 2.0, which is called a high speed mode. High speed mode can operate up to as fast as 480 Mbps. And then the next generation of USB 3.0, which we see in high performance devices, has three versions of 3.0, 3.1, and 3.2. Basically, these are called super speed and super speed plus. USB 3.0, which is called a super speed, can operate up to 5 Gbps. USB 3.1 can operate up to 10 Gbps, whereas USB 3.2 can operate up to 20 Gbps. So these basically are the signaling rates. As we go down to 3.1, 3.2, the number of lanes that transmit the USB increases. And then when we talk about USB 1.0, and if we move to the 2.0, 2.0 is backward compatible with 1.0. So that means a device which is operating at 480 Mbps can still go as low as 1.5 and 12 Mbps and 1.5 Mbps as well. The guys who are working on USB need to know and have this in their mind, and they must be aware of the speeds and modes. Thank you.